So this is the third lecture in stochastic process. Previously we have studied two lectures in which we have studied definition of stochastic process and definition of state space and states. After that we have studied definition of Markov chain and transition probability matrix. So just we are reviewing some facts, and after that we will proceed further. So a vector u is equal to u1 u2 un is called a probability vector if the components are non-negative and their sum is 1. So this vector u is known as probability vector when these components u1 u2 and un must be non-negative. So for example, u is equal to 3 by 4 comma 0 comma minus 1 by 4 comma 1 by 2. So this vector is not a probability vector. Reason is that 3 by 4 is positive, 0 is not positive, and minus 1 by 4 is also not positive. 0 is neither positive nor negative, but 0 cannot be considered as positive numbers. So this vector u vector is not a probability vector. And similar manner, b is equal to 3 by 4 1 by 2 0 1 by 4. So can this vector is a probability vector? So you can see that 3 by 4 comma 1 by 2 comma 0 1 by 4. So components are non-negative. Non-negative means they should be they should be 0, but they should not be negative. So here he correct here 3 by 4 0 minus 1 by 4. Due to minus 1 by 4 it is not a probability vector, but 0 can be considered as a vector. Reason is that non-negative. Non-negative means there should not be negative, and 0 is neither positive nor negative, so 0 can be considered as a vector. So 3 by 4 is correct, 0 is correct, minus 1 by 4 is negative number, so this vector is not a probability vector. Here 3 by 4 is positive, 1 by 2 is positive, and 0 is also non-negative. It is not positive, but it is non-negative, and 1 by 4 is positive. So this vector is a probability vector, but it is not a probability vector due to minus 1 by 4. Next point is in this vector is this 3 by 4 plus this one plus this one. The sum of all the vectors must be 1. So since it is not a already it is not a probability vector, so we have not sum it this one, but you have to sum this one 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus 0 plus 1 by 4. So either its sum is 1, first condition is satisfied, and second condition is its sum, the sum of all the vectors must be 1. So 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 1, and it is 1 by 2, so it is greater than 1. So this vector is also not a probability vector. Next, w is equal to 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 0 comma 1. 2 plus 3 plus 5, they all are positive and 0 is non-negative. So first condition is satisfied, but their sum 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 1, it is 11, it is greater than 1, so it is also not a probability vector. So for probability vector we have already defined, we are just reviewing that all the vectors must be non-negative and their sum must be 1. So just check this condition. So this is the one point, and second point is square matrix P is equal to Pij is said to be a stochastic matrix if each of its rows is a probability vector, that is, if each entry of P is non-negative and the sum of the entries in each row is 1. So just we have explained that upper topic here. So this is for the single vector. This condition was for single vector, and this condition is for a matrix. So a square matrix P is equal to Pij is said to be a stochastic matrix if each of its rows is a probability vector. So this row, these all are the probability vector. These probability vector must satisfy this condition, and if each entry of non-negative and the sum of entries is equal to this. So see this matrix, it is named as P is equal to 1 by 3 comma 0 comma 2 by 3. So 1 by 3 is positive, 0 is non-negative, and 2 by 3 is positive. So first row satisfied the non-negativity condition. 3 by 4 comma 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Since minus 1 by 4 is less than 0, so this row is not satisfied the non-negativity condition. Again 1 by 3 comma 1 by 3 comma 1 by 3 1 by 3 1 by 3. So these all the entries 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 and 1 by 3, these are positive. So this row satisfied, but due to this row and due to this element, this P matrix is not a stochastic matrix. Next, suppose that it is q is equal to 1 by 4 3 by 4 1 by 3 1 by 3. So 1 by 4 1 by 4, 3 by 4, they are positive. 1 by 3 1 by 3, they are also positive. So first condition is satisfied, all the elements must be non-negative. And second condition is sum of all the row sum of all the elements must be 1. So 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 1, but 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 is not equal to 1. So Q is also not a stochastic matrix. And next one, if suppose that it is named as R is equal to 0 1 0 1 by 2 1 by 6 1 by 3 1 by 3 2 by 3 0. So is this matrix a stochastic matrix? 0 1 0. So first condition is satisfied, all the elements are non-negative. 1 by 2 1 by 6 1 by 3, they are also non-negative. 1 by 3 2 by 3 0, they are also non-negative. And sum their numbers 0 plus 1 plus 1, so it is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3. So sum this, it is this one. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6, and so sum these numbers. So LCM is 6. So 2 2 3 3 plus 3 2 ja 6 2 plus 1 3 2 5 6. So okay, it is 1 3 2 5 plus 1 6 by 6. So this first condition satisfied. Second condition 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 is equal to also 1. Second condition satisfied. So this matrix is a stochastic matrix, but this due to first condition it is not a stochastic matrix. Due to second condition, this one is also not a stochastic matrix, and this matrix are satisfied both the conditions. So this is a stochastic matrix. So the 2 points are very important point, which vector or which matrix is a stochastic matrix and which one is not a stochastic matrix. So this is a very important result. If A and B are stochastic matrices, then the product AB is a stochastic matrix. So suppose that A and B, there are two matrices which are stochastic. Stochastic means the two conditions are satisfied, then their product also will be a stochastic matrix. AB will be a stochastic matrix. We take any example and multiply both the matrices, and we will get that AB will be a stochastic matrix. So therefore, in particular, all powers A and R are stochastic matrices. So suppose that A is a stochastic matrix, then A square will be stochastic, A cube will be stochastic. All the powers A square, A cube, and so on, up to suppose that up to n, an, they all will be stochastic matrices. So this is very important point. Next definition, regular stochastic matrices. So a stochastic matrix P is said to be regular if all the entries of some powers Pm are positive. So any matrix P is said to be regular if all the entries of some power of P. So if we made some power of P, means that P square, P cube, P4, P5. If some power at any time all during the power of P, if all the entries are positive, then we say that the matrix is regular matrix, otherwise it is not a regular matrix. So we are taking example, you will understand pattern from the example. P is equal to 0 1 1 by 2 1 by 2 is a regular matrix. It is saying that it is a regular matrix because, so here see, here it is positive, it is positive, it is positive, but 0 is not positive. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So in current situation, this matrix is positive or not, we will check with the help of by doing the product of this matrix by the same matrix. So we are finding first P square. P square means 0 1 1 by 2 1 by 2 multiplied by 0 1 1 by 2 1 by 2. So multiply by, this is simple multiplication, matrix multiplication. This element multiplied by this element, and this element multiplied by this element. So 0 multiplied by 0 and 1 multiplied by 1 by 2. So 0 multiplied by 0, 0 plus 1 multiplied by 1 by 2, so 1 by 2. So 0 plus 1 by 2, it is 1 by 2. Next 0 multiplied by 1, it is 0, and 1 multiplied by 1 by 2, so it is 1 by 2. So this element is here. Next 1 by 2, 1 by 2 multiplied by 0, it is 0, and 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2, it is 1 by 4. In the same manner, 1 by 2 multiplied by 1, it is 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2, so it is 1 by 2 multiplied by 1, so 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2, so 1 by 4. So it will be 3 by 4. So just do the product and you will got here these terms. So what we are seeing here, this is 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2, it is 1 by 4, and it is 3 by 4. So all the terms of this matrix are non-negative because there is no 0 and they all are positive. So this is a stochastic matrix. Such type of stochastic matrix is known as regular stochastic matrix. So entry of all the terms in this matrix are positive. So this matrix, the given matrix P is a regular matrix. Next example in which the matrix is not regular matrix. So the stochastic matrix Q is equal to 1 0 1 by 2 1 by 2. So take just this matrix and just change the entries. So this entry change from here and it comes out to be here. So it become 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2. They are same. So by changing there will be no effect. So Q is equal to 1 0 1 by 2 1 by 2 is not a regular weak quadrant. Reason is that if you make 0 square, multiply this matrix by itself. So in the same manner in which we have multiplied here, you multiply this 1 0 1 by 2 1 by 2. So 1 0 1 by 2, you will got this one matrix 1 0 3 by 4 1 by 4. Since here it is 0 is neither positive, that's why the given matrix Q is not regular. Again try Q cube is equal to means Q square multiplied by Q. So we will get Q cube is equal to 1 0 7 by 8 1 by 8. By multiplying you will got this. So due to the lack of time I am not doing such type of calculation, so you do yourself. This is simple calculation. So Q cube is equal to 1 0 7 by 8 1 by 4. Once again Q4 is equal to this one 1 0 15 by 16 and 1 by 16. By doing the power of Q, you will never get non-negative number here. It will always come 0 here. So this matrix is not a positive matrix. Reason is that there is a non-negative number, and in regular stochastic matrix all the entries should be positive entries. So this is the definition of regular stochastic matrices. So there are definition of we have learned today regular stochastic matrix. Next we can proceed some other facts on the basis of conditional probabilities. So we are doing one question here. So consider a Markov chain Xn such that n is greater than or equal to 0 with state space 1 2 3 and transition probability matrix P is equal to 1 2 3 1 2 3 0 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2 0 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2 0. You may check all the entries are non-negative and sum of all the rows equal to 1. So this is a transition probability matrix. You may check it. It is very clear from the matrix. Then find first condition probability of x3 is equal to 2 comma x2 is equal to 1 comma x1 is equal to 2, and second part probability of x3 is equal to 2 comma x2 is equal to 1, and third part probability of x3 is equal to 1 comma x2 is equal to 2 given x1 is equal to 1. So such type of question always asked in the examinations, either it is competitive examinations or in home examinations. So just listen carefully how we have already discussed in previous lecture this one, but we have not done the question, so we are doing it. So probability of x3 is equal to 2, first part. comma x2 is equal to 1 comma x1 is equal to 2. So we already checked that this is the one step transition probability. Reason is that 3 2 1, difference of these terms is 1, so this is the first step transition probability matrix. And what is the process to write 1 to 2 and 2 to 1? So P12 1 to 2 probability 1 2, and from here to here probability of 2 1 into probability of this single event. So this is the definition of conditional probability. See the previous video in which I have already, and I am also explaining in this example. So probability of 1 2, 1 2 means this one, 2 1 means this one. So P12 into P21 into probability of this event, single event, x1 is equal to 2. So probability of 1 2, 1 2 means 1 2. See here, this is state 1 2 3, it is 1 2 3. So this is 1 1, this is 1 2, this entry is 1 2, this entry is 1 1, this entry is 1 3, this entry is 2 1, this entry is 2 2, this entry is 2 3, this entry is 3 1, this entry is 3 2, and this entry is 3 3. So clear these all things. So 1 2 1 2 means 1 by 2, and 2 1 2 1 means 0, and probability of x1 is equal to 2. Single event probability you always given in the question. It is given probability of x1 is equal to 2 is equal to 1 by 2, so 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So here I have made a mistake. No, it is clear. So 1 2 1 2 means 1 by 2, 2 1 means 1 by 2, and x1 is equal to 2, it is given 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8. So it is 1 by 8. And second part, probability of x3 is equal to 2 comma x2 is equal to 1. Then from here to here it is 1 2, and there are only two states, so into probability of x2 is equal to 1 single, this one. So probability of 1 2 1 2 means 1 2 1 by 2, and probability of x2 is equal to 1 single, it is given here x2 is equal to 1 is equal to 1 by, so it is 1 by 3, and the multiplication of both will be 1 by 6. And third part, probability of x3 is equal to 1 comma x2 is equal to 2, given x1 is equal to 1. So if we have such type of probabilities, and 2 to 1 and 1 to 2 it is 1, and it is conditional probability is conditional, then the product term will cancel from the product term. So probability of x1 by upon it is cancelled, so you got such type of probability. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 from the matrix it is 1 by 4. So this is 1 by 4. So you we have find one question of transition probability matrix in which conditional probability we here find. And suppose that we have next question, let xn is such type of Markov chain, and probability matrix is this one, and we are given two conditions here, and we have to find these one. So very simple, you have to find this question yourself, and we have solved this one. So you just see this and try to solve. If you got any problem, then you may ask in the next video in comment section. Okay, thank you.